Hi everyone. Today we are making a very popular snack amongst the kids. This is called as crispy bites. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. I have here boiled and grated potato, rice flour, ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, salt to taste, and we'll use a little oil and water. So let's start cooking. So I switched on the flame, added oil to the wok. Let the oil heat. I'll add the ginger garlic paste now. And cook it for a minute till the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes away. I'm adding a cup of water now. You can see this. Same measurement we've taken the rice flour. Let it come to a boil. I'll add salt to taste. Some chili flakes that we'll add. Allow it to boil. You can see the water has come to a boil now. I'll reduce the flame. I'll put it to slow and we'll add the rice flour. We start mixing it gently. Mix it well. See, the rice flour is cooked. We'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool for say around 5 minutes or so. So I have transferred the rice flour to the bowl and we'll add the potatoes now and we'll give it a mix and knead a dough. Gently mix it. You can, if you want, you can add green chilies and also you can add coriander. So our dough is ready now. You can see this. I've added coriander, freshly chopped. We'll brush it with a little oil. I've taken so much of oil, a teaspoonful, just so that the dough doesn't stick to your hand. After this, we'll roll it in the shapes, in different shapes. The shape that you like or you prefer, and then we'll start frying. So you can see I've rolled it in logs. Now I'll cut this into pieces. Furthermore, the size that I like, you can keep it the shape that you like or the size that you like, and we'll deep fry it. I've cut it in pieces now. Now we'll refrigerate this for around 10 minutes or so, and we'll start the frying. So now I've removed it from the refrigerator. It's almost after 10 minutes. Now we'll start the frying. I have heated a small wok and the oil in that, and the flame is on a lower flame. We'll start frying now. We'll just check one. Yes, the oil is perfect. We'll fry it till golden brown. Turn it. Oil is just perfect. We'll fry it till golden brown. Do not keep the flame on high, else it will just burn out and it might break also. Also, it would just get cooked from the outside, inside it wouldn't get cooked. So you can see our crispy bites are ready. I'll just show you. You can hear the noise. It's crispy from outside and soft from inside, and yet it's tasting amazing. You can eat it with a sauce. Okay, the dough that we had prepared, you can keep it in refrigerator for around 7 to 10 days, and as and when required you can fry it. And also you can add or sprinkle a little chaat masala on this and eat it. So enjoy this with the sauce. Hope you like my recipe. Please give it a like and share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching.